we have the greatest Board of Education in the Commonwealth of Kentucky. There's so many wonderful qualities that each of the board members bring individually and as a group, and I respect many strengths that each Johnson County board member brings to the Johnson County school system. I admire their selflessness. They're all truly servants and put the needs of students and staff as their top priority. They also give up their time for meetings, trainings, extra events, and at any other time they're needed. I'm thankful for their willingness. They're all excellent listeners and are always available to hear what our stakeholders have to say. They also have a whole lot of experience both in and out of the education setting and provide valuable input and insight. Another quality I appreciate is their collaboration. They work so well together and with me to remove barriers for our students to make sure that they can be successful. I'm also thankful for their focus. Each member has the goal of improving our schools and on the betterment of every student and staff in the Johnson County school system. I'd like for each board member to know how grateful we are for each of them. We appreciate their effort and their love for a wonderful school system throughout the month of January and all year long. Thank you.
My name is Noel Crum, and I'm the principal at Johnson Central High School. And I am so appreciative of our Johnson County Board of Education for all of the opportunities that they provide for our students in athletics, in clubs, student organizations, and other academic endeavors.
My name is Megan Ratliff, and I'm a junior at Johnson Central High School. I'm a cheerleader, tennis player, and a member of various clubs. Because of the Johnson County School Board, I was able to travel to Dallas, Texas, and Walt Disney World to compete in a HOSA international competition.
My name is Junior Nick Stapleton. I'm a part of the wrestling team and all-honor choir member. Because of the Johnson County School Board, I've been able to go to Tennessee twice. One to wrestle in the Smoky Mountain National Duels and the other to record a CD in Nashville.
I'm junior Kelsey Blair, a member of the basketball, soccer, and cross-country team. Because of the Johnson County School Board, I've been able to travel to Lake Cumberland for basketball and Gatlinburg, Tennessee for soccer.
I'm junior Peyton Sargent from Johnson Central High School. I'm a member of both the academic team and the soccer team at the high school. Because of the Johnson County School Board, I've been able to travel to Florida with the academic team to a National Quiz Bowl tournament.
Hi, I'm Sean Hall, and I'm the principal at Johnson County Middle School. As January is Board Member Appreciation Month, we would like to sincerely thank all of our board members for all their support and all the things they do for our community and our schools.
I'm Missy Davis, an assistant principal at Johnson County Middle, and again, we would like to say thank you for all you do. We wouldn't be where we are today without you.
I'm Sharon Davis, also assistant principal at Johnson County Middle School. We want to thank each and every board member for all your time and hard work that you give to our students and staff.
I'm a student at JCMS, and we are thankful to have such dedicated board members. We want to thank you for all of your expertise, resources, and dedication to our county. Thank you for everything you do.
My name is Hannah Piedad, and I'm an 8th grade student here at Johnson County Middle School. We just want to thank our board members because their positions can be very demanding. We want to thank you guys for being such great advisors and having good problem-solving skills. You make Johnson County better.
Hi, my name is Robin Halsey, and I'm the principal at Central Elementary. Our board member is Paul R. Greer, and we would like to thank Mr. Greer for always going above and beyond for the students of Central Elementary and Johnson County schools. He ensures that our staff and students have what they need for our students to be successful. Mr. Greer, we thank you and appreciate you.
My name is Mahala Stapleton. I'm in 3rd grade at Central Elementary. My school is thankful for our board member, Paul Greer, because he has passion for educating and building the future of students in Johnson County.
Hi, I'm Kelly Price, and I'm in the 6th grade in CES, and we're thankful for Paul Greer for his willingness to help others and his kindness and for everything he does for us.
My name is Chris Pierce. I'm the principal at Flat Gap Elementary School. Flat Gap Elementary would like to say thank you to all of our Johnson County Schools board members. Without them, we couldn't do the things that we need to do to help our students and make sure our communities are successful. But I want to especially thank Jesse Salyers. It is not often that you get a board representative who went to your school all the way through high school, who also worked here, sent his children to this school, and had grandkids that went to this school. He embedded in our community, and he works really hard for the Greyhound tradition. Thank you, Jesse Salyers, for your caring and loving of our students and our school. Go Greyhounds.
Hi, my name is Gordon Deniska. I'm a 6th grader at Flat Gap Elementary. We We are honored to have a board member that attended our school, loves our school, and is actively involved with our school.
My name is Aiden Blair. I'm a 5th grader at Flagstaff Elementary. I'm thankful for Coach Shire, aka Coach Papel, for his service to our school as a board member. Thanks, Coach.
Hi, I'm Brenton Biles, principal of Highland Elementary. I'd like to take a moment to let all of our board members in Johnson County know how much they're appreciated, and especially Mr. Hutchinson, who is the board member at Highland Elementary. There's never been anything that we've asked or requested from him that he's not went out of his way to do. And I just want you to know that we appreciate you and that it doesn't go unnoticed by our staff, our kids, or our community. Thank you.
I am Lily Felton in 3rd grade here at Highland Elementary School. I would like to take a few moments to thank Mr. Bob Hutchinson for over 25 years of dedicated service.
I'm Kaden Powers, and I'm in the 5th grade at Highland Elementary School. I would like to thank Bob Hutchinson for all the things he has done in our school and our community.
Hi, William. On behalf of Porter Elementary students and staff, I just wanted to thank you for your continued support that you show our Panther family. You go above and beyond all the time for us, and we so appreciate you. Thanks again.
My name is Layla Barker. I'm in 3rd grade at Porter Elementary. My school is thankful for Mr. Fraley and all of our board members for everything they do to help our school.
Hi, my name is Abigail Hanna. I'm a 6th grade student at Porter Elementary. My school is thankful for Mr. Fraley and all the board members for their great leadership because it allows our school and us for our great success.
Steve Young, W.R. Caswell Elementary Principal. We love our board member here at WR, Melvin Van Hoos, because he is the type of person that is a true servant leader. If you call him and ask him to come help, he'll come help do anything you need. If it's mop floors, he'll show up with his work boots, and if it's hand out trophies at an academic meet, he'll show up in a dress suit. He's always there to help us, and I know for a fact he's the type of person that keeps this school and our school system in his prayers daily.
My name is Cindy Jeffers. I'm a 2nd grade student at W.R. Caswell. Our school is thankful for Melvin Van Hoos because he supports our school and he makes donations for the Club Festival.
My name is Chloe Scarberry, and I love Melvin Van Hoos because he makes everyone feel like family. He makes everyone laugh, and he's good for the kids in school.